Hi guys, I'm TobeyRenee and welcome to Faux Decor Design Studio. Today we're going to be learning how to do diamond glass accessories. So if you guys would subscribe to my channel, I would absolutely love that. Okay, so today let's go ahead and get into it. We need our accessories and we need a little bit of Mod Podge and a whole lot of diamond glass. So I always go to Michael's to get my accessories. It's like my favorite store in the world. And they have this whole like aisle full of like wood accessories. So that's where I got all of these great pieces that you see on the table. I also got my Mod Podge there. Okay, so you guys can order the diamond glass off of my website, which is thefauxprostore.com, and I'll also have the link below in the description. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna start painting and decorating our accessories. So I found this pretty picture frame at Michael's. So my first step is all you do is just base coat it. Figure out what you want, what color you want your diamond glass accessory to be, and you paint it. So we're gonna go with pink. I think this is baby pink. I don't know, it was something I had on the shelf. It's just regular latex paint. I think I got it from Home Depot. But notice I'm going around all the edges because I want my frame to look complete and finished. And when you go to Michael's to get stuff, don't worry about, does it need priming, not priming. I just roll right over the wood. And that's it. See how quick this goes? Super, super fast. Now, I do like to get the insides of it, so we'll do that really quickly. Oh, you like that trick, right? All right, so there, I am done. So I'm gonna blow dry this and it's gonna be dry in like 30 seconds. Oh, it's dry, 2.5 seconds. But let me take this sticker off the back. All right, so we've painted our wooden frame, pink latex paint, just one coat, super easy. So, oh, can my handy dandy assistant take that, please? Thank you. All right, so now we're gonna have some fun. This is where your Mod Podge come in, and I get the gloss. I love the gloss. Go get you some Mod Podge. You don't even have to water it down. We're gonna put this right to the side here. And basically, you're just going to roll on a thin layer of Mod Podge. And again, I start with my edges all the way around. Edge, edge, edge. And I like to do my edges first so I can hold it. So I start my edges, then I lay it flat on the table. Then I can do the top of the frame really quickly. Oh, and then I got to do the inside of the frame. And that's basically it. So a nice little even coat of Mod Podge. As you can see, got a little bit of drips there, but that's okay. All right, now here comes the bling bling. You get you some diamond glass, and I have some clean diamond glass right here. Yummy. And you get you some pink glitter, which I have right here. And I actually got this at Michael's too. Hey, Michael's. And then you just pick up your diamond glass accessory and you start to decorate. So I'm just basically holding my accessory over my bucket so I don't lose all of my diamond glass. And you just sprinkle it on like salt and pepper. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is glass, so be careful. But you just sprinkle, sprinkle, and we're gonna get a couple of more sprinkles in. All right, we did that fairly quickly. And voila, you have your diamond glass accessory. But now what you need to do is let this dry overnight. So, hi, we're gonna give that to my assistant. And my assistant. And
Oh no! No! God, please, no!
blooper. I'm like, wait, I thought you had it, I'm sorry. That was crazy. So I'm gonna do the next one, and hopefully we can hold on to this one a little better. So again, I got my Mod Podge. I'm gonna do the edges first. All of my edges. And then I'm just going to roll lightly over the top of my picture frame. Super, super simple. Nice even coat. And I have, guess what? Red glass. So just to let you guys know, you can add a little shimmer with any craft glitter you want. So I'm just gonna pour this into my diamond glass, shake it up a little bit, and we're going to apply this to my picture frame. This is so easy. Man, I need to open up a diamond glass accessory store. But this stuff is really, really fast. It's really, really easy. And it's super, super pretty. And it, like the glitter adds just a little touch. All right. So we're going to pass this off gently. And just to show you what the red looks like dry, let me wash my hands off. All right. So after you let the red sit, or all of your accessories sit, let them sit overnight and they're gonna dry. And what you're gonna get is this pretty jewel, okay? Now, since this is really glass, you need to scrape off so that people that wanna touch it, don't ask me why they wanna touch it. But anyway, you need to scrape off everything, like all the loose glass, and make it safe. So, you take your, what is this? Oh, an old credit card. You take your old credit card or hotel key, and you probably should have glasses. Can I get my glasses, please? Okay, I'm gonna get my glasses really quick because this is the step that I want you to be really careful on. All right. My fashion forward glass look. Okay, so now you can scrape off the excess glass. And this makes it safe for people to touch, and it won't cut you. And it also adds a little bit of opulence when you knock off that extra loose glass. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? Super gorgeous. All right, I love it. And I also did a gold star for you guys today. So we're gonna scrape this off too and make this user-friendly. And remember, please wear your safety glasses. And look at how much of the glass comes off. So you just want to make sure you get all the excess off so that people can touch it and handle it. You know, if you need to hang it up, now you can touch it. Now it's nice and smooth, it's not cutting, and it's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. So anyway, that's it, guys. It's super, super easy. Basically, you just get your wooden accessory, you do your base coats on it, and you add a little bit of glitter to your diamond glass, whatever color glitter you want, and you just sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And it gives you these beautiful accessories. You can't go wrong. So make sure you guys subscribe to my page. And if you're interested in learning how to do diamond glass on walls and ceilings, please log into my website, thefauxprostore.com. Check in for class schedules. I have them often. And thank you. And thank you. I don't know what else.